Welcome back to Uncle Dan's Backyard Barbecue. If you like this channel, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be doing some chicken wings on the Twin Eagles, and then we're going to sauce them. So we got our garlic parmesan, we got our black magic, our buffalo sauce. I really like this sauce. And we got our chipotle. So the first thing we're going to do is, so I got our wings laid out here, and I'm going to just take a little bit of seasoned salt, and just give them a little dash of some salt. And I like to give them a little dash of pepper, just to get them nice and peppered. So a little light coat. Give them some, just rub these around a little bit. Move them around here. And so I have the insert in today, like when we did our tomahawk steak. So I'm going to move these wings to our grill. Put them on here. Put them on here, move them around. And I like to put these with the skin side up on the half size on the wings, and then the drummies, you can do them any way you want on the drummies. But I like to, on the wing sides, I like to pull those so that the skin side is sitting up as we spread these out here. We got the Twin Eagles at 400 today. So we're going to start frying these up. And then once we get them up to about 145 inside, we'll use our instant thermometer on these wings. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take them off of here, and depending on how many we need, right, we're going to put the different sauce in the bowl here, and then we're going to flip them up in the bowl when they're hot, nice and hot. We'll get them sauced up, and then we'll get them out back on the grill here. So that's our plan for today. We'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and check these. All right, looks like we're starting to get nice and cooked. Just want to make sure we don't burn on each side. Definitely don't want to get them too burned, too cooked. Now we'll go ahead and flip them. So we get the other side going here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we're about halfway through. I would say we're about halfway through the cook. And then we'll come right back. Alright, I think we're about temp. Let me go ahead and check this temperature. Alright, so we're about 140 there, 140 there. Alright, we're a little bit more than I would like. I wanted to get to about 130, but we're at 140, so we're still okay. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to take some of these wings off of here, put them in this bucket. And I'm going to try to I'm going to divide these wings the way they are up into the different sauces that we're going to do today. So here we go. So I think this is going to be good. Good amount. Put them in this bowl. Alright, so now we got them in this bowl. So we're going to go ahead and pour in our sauce of choice. This is the Parmesan garlic. Just put it in. So we get them in these pan. Then we're going to go ahead and just shake them around, let them get nice and sauced, and then we'll put them right back out there. That's pretty much it. Just a little nice little shake, get them nice and sauced. And we'll put them back out here. And then these will be our Parmesan garlic on this side now that they're nice and sauced. Man, you can really smell the sauce. It smells so good. All right, so we'll take that. And we're just gonna continue the rest. I like to take the bowl and rinse it out, get rid of this sauce that's in here so we don't have any mixed sauce across. All right. There we go. Give it a little shake. We'll go get some others. Then we'll try the next sauce. What we're gonna do is we'll do the buffalo sauce next, and we'll just keep going. And this is how you sauce them. After you get them nice and cooked and get them ready to go, you just throw your sauce on there. And since I like the buffalo myself, we'll put a lot of buffalo in here. And then we'll make those the chipotle. And that's it. And we'll just put this sauce in here. This is the Black Magic buffalo sauce. Go ahead and get these nice and sauced, like so. Get them nice and sauced. Then we're gonna go ahead and we'll put these back out there. Make sure we don't hit any of those other ones. And then the last one. These are all in here. There you go. And this is how we do our sauce on our wings at Uncle Dan's Backyard Barbecue. In our chipotle. Get this one. There we go. That's simple. All right, now we got them all three sauced in there. Got them ready to go. So we'll cook them for another about 15, 20 minutes. That way the outside of the sauce gets nice and cooked onto and stuck to our wings. And then we'll bowl them up and we'll start eating. Thanks again for joining me at Uncle Dan's Backyard Barbecue.